Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. We just got my sister an early gift for birthday or Christmas or whatever, Hanukkah, maybe Happy Hanukkah, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, different holidays maybe. So we're going to call it whatever we want, and we're going to open it up and we're going to see what we got, and we're going to do an unboxing, because she's the best sister, exactly.
That's the gift.
Alright, so let's open this up. Alright, so this is the first unboxing that I got for it. And what do we got? Let's see. We got an Amazon Alexa show, so now she can watch the baby from the kitchen while she's cooking and just say, hey, show me baby. And now she gets to, and then she can ask for recipes at the same time while she's cooking. She got recipes, numbers, mathematicals. You can call grandma downstairs now and see grandma downstairs right from the camera. Okay?
Get me away from this crazy baby.
So we got.
I'm gonna be calling you.
So let's open this up. We got an Echo Show 8. This is the new one that came out. Let's see what it looks like. So you're going to pull it out just like this. And that's kind of what it looks like, I guess. That's the gist of it. It comes with the power cord right here. Probably a couple feet, 6 feet. I'm not sure what it comes with it. We'll do a review and you'll be able to see the differences later on in another video. It comes with the instructions in the back. All the way in the back over there are the instructions. You can take that. Let's open this up and see what it starts to look like. So it looks pretty cool. So this is what it's going to look like. Can you see that in the video?
Yeah.
Right? It's good? Okay. So that's what it's going to look like. And there's all a bunch of plastic that you pull open on here, as you guys can see. So let's pull it open, see what it looks like. We're going to have her husband set it up for her, and he's going to set everything up, but that's kind of what it looks like. It has a camera shutter on it, so you go like this, and it puts a shutter over the camera so no one can see and ever drop in on your calls if you don't want them watching you. If you say you're naked in the kitchen and you're making a fiesta pasta Spanish dinner, you don't want mommy calling in on you while you're naked. You're cooking that Spanish meal up. You want it, you know what I mean? You just go like this, boom, boom, click that over. That's
so
it.
much cooking in the nude.
That's it.
Yeah.
You might want that.
That's how I like to cook.
It's perfect. So that's what it looks like. That's the unboxing of it. This is all that comes in. You're gonna plug this in. We'll show you in another video what it looks like. We can compare it to the show 10 downstairs and see what that looks like. And that's it. So thank you everybody for watching Glen Velvet Reviews right now. We will check out another video and have it updated in a little bit and check the next one. All right? Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.